Do want us to trade into this 5 and then probably find something in there. Probably going for like a fair value gap down there. Sweeping these lows. Going for something maybe down there. And then maybe get the bounce. Yeah. Let's see. What we have here. So we've swept this. If we get the inversion, I'm going in. We got the inversion, I'm going in. We're on our 5 minute. There's a 3 minute above. I'll take the 1 minute. If I get this 1 minute right here, I'm taking that. I like to be more aggressive with it. But you know, some people might want to wait for the 3 minute up there. You know, it's all optional. Once we get that inversion, I'm in there, no doubt about it. Once we get that inversion, I'm in there. Let's see how that plays out. Finger on the trigger. Let's see. 9, 8. Hold on. 6, 5, 4. And I'm in. Get me in, bro.
Order filled.
What are you doing there? Stop loss below this level. Not looking good here.
Stop filled.
Out there. That was a decent setup, I'm not gonna lie. I am still bullish. So now like I'm gonna re-enter on a different inversion. Oh, I do see this. Oh my goodness, I do see this 3 minute inversion right there that I could have waited for instead. If I get that 3 minute inversion, I'm taking my last trade here. I jumped into that a little bit too early, seems like. IVG. If we get that 3 minute inversion, I'm taking one more shot at this trade. Man, that was a quick loss, man. I do still want to see like again, we've came back and swept this. I am still like bullish here. So let's see, like, man, if I get another bullish setup, I'll take my last trade and see how that plays out. Okay, now we've now swept that like I wanted on Russell, tapped into the 5. Russell might be looking nice. May have just wanted to trade lower. You feel me? I am still bullish, bro. And Russell has now tapped into the 5 minute. Rejecting from it. See if Russell can inverse this here. Fair value gap. Let's see which one I should take, Russell or YM. YM is bouncing, so yeah, I prefer YM actually. It's gonna be my last trade for the day. Let's see what happens here. We need the inversion first, though. I'm in there.
Order filled.
One more time. Let's see what happens here. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Let's keep it pushing. Oh, no, 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 no. Not that. Let's push. Let's push. Stop should really be, well, I would prefer stops at break even up here. I don't want to move to break even quite yet. I want those highs to get swept first. We needed to form a wick there. We needed to close that volume imbalance. Also gave the inversion. Watch Russell give a better move like always. Watch Russell give us a better move. Oh my goodness, look at Russell. As always. Oh no, I'm done. I just want to see like if I had entered Russell instead, if that would have been better. Oh my goodness, YM. Just want to see how Russell would have played out. Well, let's take a look at YM. What are we chopping here for? Chopsticks, man. Let's push, man. Taking so long. Chopping. He said, I have TP at your SL. Oh my goodness. You are so funny. Man, this trade is not playing out. Come on now. Let me see what Russell is doing, bro. YM is just annoying. Like, what are you doing, dog? Said I have TP at your SL. That's funny. That's so funny, bro. Let's push. Let's push. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. After we sweep those highs, I'm moving to break even, bro. This trade is already so annoying. Let's push. Nice. We've hit 90 ticks, man. Really should be trimming over there. 90 ticks is really where folks are supposed to be trimming at, dog. Stops at break even now. Let's go. He said, don't retrace from here. What are you doing? Let's push. Said take that 1 hour. I want more. Let's push. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Probably should have taken some off at 90, bro. 90 ticks, my boy. Oh my goodness. Really don't want us to inverse that. Move SL to 1 hour. It's gonna flip. Nah, I'll leave it at break even. If I get broke, oh my god, look at Russell. Look at Russell. Man, don't do that to me. You only gave us 90, bro. Bruh. That's all she wrote for real? Oh my goodness. Seriously, bro? Oh my goodness. Only gave us 90 today. Looking like. It's not looking too good. I mean, we've inversed that fair value gap, so I don't know, man. It's actually not because we inverse that fair value gap. I don't really like that. I don't like that, bro. I don't like that. Might be cooked here. Not looking good. Why are we doing all this extra shh? Oh yeah, stopped out at break even here, it looks like.
Order filled.
Ah. Only gave us 90 ticks, yeah. Should have taken Russell like always. Should have taken Russell, bro. Why am I always on some shh? Shh. But yeah, that's that for me, man. I'm done trading for today. But yeah, I should have taken Russell. Like, Russell ended up playing out nicely. Should have taken freaking Russell. And I should have taken, partials, like, of course. But I didn't, so it is what it is. It is what it is. 5-minute FVG too strong. Yeah, looking like it. Yeah, we're probably heading back down. That is that for me, guys. That is that for me. Wish I took Russell. Oh, that literally gave a much better You feel me? I'm done. That's that for me. You know, I'm not taking any more trades. I am done for the day. Gonna come back to, well, I don't like trading on Wednesday, so I'm not trading tomorrow. So I come back on Thursday and let's see what we can get from Thursday. Thank you guys so much for watching. You know, the result is what it gave me here. Kind of a bit of chop. I definitely should have, you know, secured some profits up there, but I did expect it to fully play out. It didn't, so it is what it is. I come back the next day and do the same thing over and over again. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, go down there in the comments. Let me know your favorite part about this video and what I could have done better, you know, about this session, about this trade. And let me know any feedback you also may have. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.